old Christmas light, honey. Alright, sideways. There you go. Now move forward. Sideways. Stand up, Lee. Stand up, Lee. All right. Alright, you gotta get out of the flappy area, you're gonna fall down all the time. Come on, quickly. 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 I'm turtles. Oh, she didn't try. There you go. Are you okay? Okay, we gotta get out of the flappiness or we're never gonna get this done. See where they are? That's where you need to be so you're not getting hit with waves.
Water.
Alright, no dilly-dallying. Come on. Get over here. Come on over here, Lee. A little bit more.
There you go.
Now you're in the non-flapping area. That is an adventure.
Get all that in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, your feet went right over your head. I was like, oh, he's turtling. What? Well, that's just as far as we go. We're going to start aiming towards the beach again. If you go further, you can't hit the bottom. There you go. You stay in this area, you'll be fine.
Don't forget to turn it back.
So Lee, where are you on Christmas Eve?
Beach in Hawaii. Don't know the exact location. I'm loving every minute of it.
At least you're not getting slapped around. Happy? Not once you get on your nose, that's good. That'll be fun. I'm heading back to the flat zone. Yeah.
Come on, dear.
She's just trying to answer your question. Oh, we got a nice big one coming up. I did warn you. There was a big one, a big wave coming. I went, Ma, turned around and went, yeah, and went, I guess I went, well, it's a little too late. She also was trying to body surf, but she was aiming that way, and she was pulling that way. The problem is, it goes straight out to sea.
You like that one?
Yeah.
So I said, no, for the rescue us to the car?
Hopefully. Having fun. Oh. Well, I think we paid a lot of money to come to this great pool.
No, actually. I had to look in my back, I went to my
They're surfing. Kite surfing, that's it. Kite surfing, that's what it's called. Whoa.
buy those things is very expensive, right?
Yeah, it's expensive than any other water toy that you want to play with.
Keeps going up.
Oh, runs in the slap zone. Where are you going? Come back here. Every time I try to come closer to you, you go further away from me. Okay. Well, at least tell everybody to have a good day.
Hey everyone, have a great day. Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. Marikika.
We got a mini leaky cough. We gotta fix that sometime in the near future.
Anyways, aloha, mahalo as they say goodbye here. And joyeux Noel, and we'll see you guys in the new year.
She's getting it all wrong, but hey! Thanks for watching. See you soon.